Here's another good illustration why you want to do a good inspection on a newly acquired vehicle. I just acquired this car a few weeks ago, and the previous owner had given me a list of everything he had done on the car, including new distributor caps, new spark plugs, new spark plug wire, new serpentine belt, new belt tensioner, and so on. But the engine was, every once in a while, would shake a little bit. I could tell it was missing, so I thought, I'm going to look this over. Just look it over. I pulled the covers off the distributor cap area and started looking at the wires, and you can't believe what I found. And remember, these wires were replaced only a few months ago. Right away I looked down in here and I noticed it appeared that one of these ignition wire was sticking slightly out from the others, and I grabbed a hold of it and it wasn't even plugged in. So upon removing it, look what I found. Look at the amount of corrosion in there, and if you look down at the pin, you can see the pin is just covered with white corrosion. So spark was breaking down right here. That's very typical of loose connections on ignition wires. So word of the wise, check your ignition wires when you install new ones. Make sure you push them on all the way and you have a secure connection.